So it's been, what does that say, 8 months since I made my last video on these. So let's have a look at them, shall we? See, there's the first fucker up here, all covered in cobwebs. I mean, I don't see any signs of any kind of degrading or anything of being exposed to UV light. Let's see the other thing. I mean, I'd say at this point, I think we can honestly conclude that this stuff is not going to degrade from UV exposure. Just for fun, I had these zip ties up here that specifically said, don't put these in UV light. And I don't see anything that suggested these can't stand UV light either. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all these fucking things back up here and we'll check back on these after the summer. How about that? Alrighty then. Thanks for watching.